Welcome to the NotebookLM Exam Prep Guide, a beginner's step-by-step AI study strategy. This video will show you how to leverage AI for your exam preparation. We are now in a new era of studying, where AI-powered research is a game-changer for students, revolutionizing how we interact with our study materials. NotebookLM offers source-grounded AI, meaning it only answers based on the files you upload, ensuring facts are relevant to your syllabus and eliminating hallucinations. Also, your data remains private and secure within your workspace. Step 1 is to upload your sources. NotebookLM supports multiple formats, including PDF textbooks and slides, personal Google Docs, website URLs, and copied text snippets. Step 2 is using the source dashboard. You can index everything, adding up to 50 sources, and the AI reads them all simultaneously. You can filter focus to toggle specific sources on or off, and deep search helps you find specific terms across thousands of pages quickly. Step 3 is the Notebook Guide, which provides automated overviews. Once sources are added, NotebookLM generates an instant summary and a table of contents for your entire collection, giving you a bird's-eye view of the exam topics. Step 4 focuses on specialized study aids. Use the FAQ generator for likely exam questions, study guides for structured outlines, and glossaries for key terms and definitions for flashcards. AI-assisted content digestion can significantly boost retention efficiency. Studies show that this method leads to 2.5 times faster understanding of complex materials compared to traditional reading. Step 5 is to trust via citations. NotebookLM ensures fact-checked accuracy by including clickable citations with every answer, taking you directly to the exact page and paragraph in your source. Step 6 introduces audio overviews. Convert your notes into an AI podcast conversation to listen while commuting or exercising, simplifying complex topics, and reinforcing learning through audio repetition. Here are some pro tips for exam success. Save notes as Save Notes for final revision, simplify jargon with prompts, create practice quizzes, and combine sources like past papers and textbooks for pattern recognition.